Good day everyone, my name is Lisbeth B. Abadjano. I'm a public elementary grade school teacher and residing in Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. This presentation is a partial fulfillment of the requirements in English 300-301 Advanced English for Academic Purposes. One of the key language skills required in this course is the development of oral communication skills. As part of English 300-301, Advanced English for Academic Purposes, we are asked to deliver an oral research presentation. The main purpose of this recorded presentation is to enhance my ability to communicate scholarly ideas clearly and confidently in spoken English. Today, I will present my thesis, The Attitudes of Teachers Toward Teaching, Learning, and Children to Significantly Influence Students' Learning Outcomes. This statement asserts that the mindset and perspective held by teachers directly impact how well students perform academically. I believe that positive teacher attitudes foster a better learning environment, which in turn enhances students' achievement. I choose this topic because I have observed in my own teaching practice that when teachers have genuine interest in their students and a positive outlook on teaching, students tend to be more motivated and engaged. The personal experiences in my classroom have shown me that attitudes matter significantly in the learning process. If given the opportunity, I would like to explore further various factors such as teaching training, classroom environment, and student-teacher relationship. Interact with teachers' attitudes to influence learning outcomes. For now, I am seeking approval to pursue this topic as I am convinced it is relevant and worthy of scholarly attention. I believe that this research can contribute to developing better teacher training programs and improving student achievement by fostering positive attitudes among educators. I am confident that this topic is both timely and impactful. For the related literature and studies of my topic, the attitudes of teachers toward teaching, learning significantly influence students' learning outcomes. Recent studies reinforce the importance of teachers' attitude in the shaping student success. In 2020, report emphasizes that teacher self-efficacy, which is closely related to the attitudes, correlates with the student engagement and achievement. Conversely, some scholars argue that external factors like school resources and administrative support also play a vital role which can sometimes overshadow individual teacher attitudes. A 2021 review points out that existing research often overlooks cultural and contextual differences, indicating a gap understanding how attitude influence learning in diverse setting. Most studies focus on the impact of teacher attitudes on student motivation, but less how these attitudes directly affect measurable learning outcomes. This gap suggests that further research is needed to establish a clear causal relationship. I aim to explore this gap by examining how teacher attitudes specifically relate to students' academic performance in my school environment. So, research studies underscores the significant influence of teachers' attitudes toward teaching and children and student learning outcomes. Teachers' positive perception of their students and the teaching process are linked to increase students' engagement, motivation, and achievement by Johnson et al. 2020, Lee and Lee 2021. When educators view children as capable and motivated learners, they are more likely to employ effective instructional strategies that foster a positive learning environment by Martinez et al. 2019. Furthermore, teachers' own attitude toward learning, such as enthusiasm and confidence, have been shown to directly impact students' academic self-efficacy and interest in the subject matter by Kim Park 2022. These findings highlight the importance of fostering positive attitudes among educators to enhance learning outcomes. The relationship between teachers' attitudes and their perception of learning processes also influence pedagogical practices, which in turn affect the student's success. Teachers who hold constructive attitudes towards learning tend to adopt student-centered approaches, encouraging critical thinking and anatomy by Moyen and Balakrishnan 2020 and Garcia and Lopez 2021. Such attitudes promote a growth-oriented classroom climate that supports diverse learning needs and promotes resilience among students by Shang et al. 2022. Conversely, negative attitudes such as frustration or apathy can lead to the reduced instructional quality and diminish students' performance by Tsai and Conmar 2019. Therefore, educators believe and attitudes are pivotal in shaping effective teaching strategies that directly impact students' learning trajectories. Moreover, attitudes toward children, including perception of their potential and developmental needs, significantly influence educational practice and outcomes. Teachers who recognize and value the individual of each child tend to implement more inclusive and differentiated instruction, which has been associated with improved academic and social emotional outcomes by Shell et al. At 2020, William and Thomas 2023. Positive attitude children also foster stronger teacher-student relationship, which are critical for creating a safe and motivating learning environment by O'Neill and Harrison 2020. Recent studies emphasize that addressing and improving teachers' attitudes through professional development can lead to more effective teaching and better student achievement by Davis et al. 2022. Overall, fostering constructive attitudes toward teaching and children remains a cornerstone for enhancing educational success. In summary, my thesis emphasizes that teacher attitudes toward teaching, learning, and children play a crucial role in shaping students' academic success. If approved, I plan to conduct this study within Puerto Princesa District 1, where I believe the respondents' characteristics will provide valuable insights into this relationship. To conclude, I leave you with a quote from Albert Einstein. The only thing that you can absolutely have to know is the location of the library. This reminds us that understanding and nurturing positive attitude in education are essential for creating effective learning environment. Thank you very much for watching.